Watch out behind you, Jaden. It's the dark.
Hanging from a tree.
Yeah, sleeping.
Oh my god, the sense is like 10,000. Oh wait, no, this is the
Oh,
dead
I
body.
can see Harrison. Below me.
Where are you?
Above you. Oh, a guy's just about to fall to his death.
Yo, how do I fuck off with this phone?
Oh, the door. That's on him as
Ah.
insult. I think it does get quieter the further you are away.
What do you want from me? Oh my god.
Ow?
Do you want to see how to quickly win a battle in a street fight? Zachary?
No.
I'll show you on Jaden. First you approach blocking, ready to block, like this. Then you pull out the blicky, fire several shots into him.
I saw that!
That's how you win a street fight.
Oh shit.
Give me my spear back. Throw it in the ground.
How do you
Just throw
throw?
yours into the ground. Just right click. Hold down right click and then left click.
Oh
Probably
right.
not into me as you looked up at me. Yeah, there it is.
Nice catch.
Oh. All hail. Fuck's this called? Flabbergastor.
He killed himself!
How'd you manage that one?
Damn, I ran into that thing.
It's Kelvin.
Oh my god, her mouth's open. I don't know what to do.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm sick. The game just told me I'm sick and I don't think physically.
How have you done? Nothing? We've done nothing.
Ah! Oh, what the fuck?
It's a camp. It's a cannibal. Run it over.
Oh, I tried. Drive by,
Hey.
fellas, jump out. Jump out, we fight.
Get the loot, get the loot, get the loot.
I got one shot.
I also got one shot.
I'm still getting loot.
Harrison, respawn us immediately.
No! Yes. No, what? How long is that charge up? And you're in open air. No. My screen is so fucked, by the way. It's super buggy. No, yes. Crash. No. No, I'm so close. Oh, Jaden got run over. What the fuck? He crashed though.
No!
Yes. See ya.
No!
No, what the fuck?
Ow.
God! Ow!
Right. But he's stuck again. No! I got out to fix it.
Oh, I ran over Kelvin!
Oh!
Oh, what the fuck? Yo. Oh wait, I didn't even fall out.
Alright, whoever gets eaten by the shark is the biggest fucking loser.
Facts. Oh, I see. No, I don't see the shark. I saw that thing and I
Seaweed
thought
makes
it
me
was a
shit
shark.
my pants.
Same. I thought it was a shark.
Oh, there it is.
Where?
See where that ripple's going?
Oh
To
yeah.
the right?
Oh, I see the fin. Oh, there's 2 sharks. There's 2 sharks for our journey back.
Alright, last one back to fucking loser. Who hit me?
Oh my god, you're fucked.
Why? There we go. Ow! I died. I got tied up underwater.
Yeah, same.
You guys get killed by the shark.
I think you killed me. You shot me.
I was
Yeah,
wondering
dude.
that.
You're a fucking loser. They res me immediately. Aaron just wants the cart to himself.
Do you have your gun? Shoot him.
Oh, come on. Someone res me, please.
Why would we? Hey! 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 Oh, I got
Did
on.
you res him or did
No,
you leave him to death?
I left him.
Run
Run him over! Run him over!
He's not moving. Oh, he is.
Hey! Kelvin? Kevin? Colin? What's the cunt's
Kelvin.
name? Kelvin. He's gonna shoot us out of the cart, you realise that, right?
Oh, yeah, true.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Oh, you hit. You shot me. You killed me. Revive me immediately.
Bro, they call me cracked man.
Revive me. Revive me.
Shut up. Shut up, bitch. Sit there and think about what you've done.
My turn. Oh yeah. Oh!
Oh!
Whoa. Good.
Black bolt! Oh. It's just so peacefully. No, what? Ow! I'm dead. Help me, please. Help me. Help me, please. Oh, shit. Hello?
Help me, please! Help!
I'm the ammo.
Help me, please.
Help me, please!
Help me, please.
Help me, please. I helped you, Jen. Now your turn to help me.
I'm dead.
Oh, what?
Oh, dead, you morons. You're an idiot, Harrison.
You did it first.
No, we're killing each other. And then we just all died. Oh, shit.
Get to the cart. Where's the cart at?
I'm dead again.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Help
I'm
me,
dead.
please.
Fuck me. Help me. Help me, please. Help me, please.
What? Oh,
It's just reflection.
he ran out of battery.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Stop resisting. Help me, please. I wonder how Harrison's going.
I don't really care. Why are you pushing into the water?
So I return.
Why have you...
Put it in the water. Stop fucking looking at me, cunt. I put it in the water because we don't deserve it. Now I'm off to find a shark.
Holy shit. Hey Harrison, do you think I can hit Aaron from here?
Give it a go. Oh, I think you hit him, he's dodging. Should I try and swim back from the boat?
I'm out of bullets.
Do it.
I no longer have ammunition.
Unlucky.
Oh! Please? Help me, please.